Hello, hi. So we'll begin our workshop. All the best. Okay, so our first card making workshop. So I told you guys to cut out sheets of 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. So are you guys ready with it? Yeah. So first we'll take a sheet that I have already shown in the picture, and we'll take 6 centimeter, okay, and we'll create a box out of it. 6 centimeter from here, and then we'll again take 6 centimeter from here, okay. After that we'll cut this out. We'll cut it out as I have shown in the video also. It'll look like this, okay. So we'll take 7 sheets like this. This is 6 and this is 6. It's a square box, perfect square box, okay. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to fold this box like this, okay, and then we are going to fold it again like this. Pretty easy, right? So you can see now what we'll do: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. We have 7. We have folded it nicely. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fold it again, okay. We fold. We'll take a pencil or a pen, whatever is you, circle like this. Can you see? So we have to do it for all the sheets like this that we have folded. It's looking like a heart, isn't it? A little heart. We are cutting out hearts. So after doing this, we are going to open it, okay? So when you do it, just make sure you cut this so that it looks like a flower at the end of the day when you. So basically, the outcome is this. Can you see? So what we'll do is we'll take one sheet, okay? Then we'll cut one petal out of it, okay? We'll cut what? We'll cut one petal out of it. After that, what are you going to do is put Fevicol, see, white glue. Can you see? You're going to put white glue and create it like this. Fold it. So it is going to look like. So we have created 4 flowers and we fold it and then we keep it, okay? We cut one more. So now we are going to stick it, okay? See it very clearly. First we are going to take this. Then wherever I show you with the pencil, first glue is over here and over here. So you, here and glue over here. I'll take this, put it here. Okay, I'll take the other one and put it over here. Okay, so what I did is I took one petal, I have put glue over here, and then pasted like this and like this. Understood? After that, we are going to put Fevicol over here, here and here. We are going to take the other petals. We'll take a different color petal, okay? Put it over here. Then we are going to repeat the procedure. We have 3 petals and we have to put it so that it is, can you see? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to stick it this way. I'm going to stick one here and I'm going to stick one over here. And now the last one. So it's done, okay? So now what we are going to do is, we'll take a hard paper or a medium hard paper, Fabriano sheets or a pastel paper, anything will do. Just an A4 size paper, you can see. I'm just cutting it. I folded it into half and then I'm cutting it over here, okay? Then the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to put Fevicol over here and turn it and put Fevicol over here. Easy peasy. 7 flowers. Now I'm going to put it this way and close my card. Okay. Now this is going to take time because it's glue and it is going to take time. It is white glue, it takes time. So basically your card is going to look like this. See. Can you see? We made 7 flowers and then we had to stick it and then we had put it inside this card so that when it comes out like this, it is going to look like this. So basically when you give a card to someone, it is going to look like this, but when they open it, we have taken 7 petals. See, it is going to pop up like this. So now basically you can smileys and stars and whatnot. You can put it like this and then happy teachers. Isn't this looking cute? And when you open it, it is like a flower. Every teacher is beautiful, isn't it? So do we move on to our next card? So everyone is demanding next. So what are we going to do is, we are going to take a sheet, okay? We are going to take a sheet that is 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Okay? 8 or 10 or anything you wish. So now what we have to do is, take a scale and we have to crisscross. We'll fold it this way. Then first fold, second fold, third fold. Done. Clear? 4 folds. Okay? Now we have to open it. We folded it from inside. Now we have to fold it from the outside. So it opens like this. I want you to do it like this way. Is it clear to everyone? We are going to do it like this, okay? Inside folding. Okay? Then we have to take our glue, put a little bit, not too much because it takes too much of time to dry up then. Okay? You understood the folding process, right? You have to fold it inside. इन दोनों को अंदर लाना है और इन दोनों को बाहर लेके जाना है. Then we have to put it in this small cute little card and close. Close, close, close. See how small this card is. Then when we open it, it looks like this. See? Interesting, right? We can put up a star over here. Now you can write over here. You are the best. It is. Now we are going for the next one, for which we need a square paper. Any square paper. We are going to give it how many folds? One fold, then second. Cool. First and second done. Now what we do is, we take a scale, we leave a little part over here. Okay? Done. A thicker part over here. Done. We have to cut it like this and this. So after you cut it, keep it aside. We don't need it. We open it. What is it? A plus sign. Okay? We have this plus here. So now what are we going to do is, again, close it. We want to do a T. Now you can see this edge over here. You can see this edge over here. Fold it like a heart over here. Okay? Fold, fold, fold. After folding it, we open it. We fold it like this. We want to do it like this. So when we open it, it is like this, coming out like this. Okay? T, heart, open, push it inside, close, push it inside, close. Now keep it aside. Keep this aside. Take a sheet of paper, fold it like this. 1, 2, 3. We can put a star over here. One more star over here. You have a sir or your ma'am, you can write any of their names. So after this, what you do is, you take it, take a tape, preferably a double side tape. Put one over on the top, put the other one here. Okay? Now you have to stick it this way. Okay? And when you close it, it is going to close like this. Okay? Now we'll take a card. Wait, yeah. So we have a card over here. We take a card, we apply some glue over here. Apply some glue over here. put it inside the card and close. So what happens when we open it? Yay! See, this happens when we open it. You can write all the messages over here, like you are a great teacher. I'm again showing it to you. We open it and it is like this. Boom! Happy Teachers Day, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. This was our first card. This was our second card. This was our third card. This was the first flower. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this session is going to be recorded. I hope you will go back to the video, like it, and share it, and please make these cards and please share it with the Fundu. Have a nice day. Stay safe.